Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding boat. This is part 5 of series What is computer and how it works. So let's begin the session. Role of circuit in computer. Today we are going to learn what is role of circuit in computer. In last session we have learned that every input or output of a computer is effectively a type of data. Data can be in the form of anything, whether it will be number, audio, video, correct, which can be represented using electric wires signal in the form of on or off electrical signals, that is either ones or zeros. Now, in order to process the data that comes inside computer as an input and generate information out of that data, a computer needs to modify and combine the input signals. Let me repeat once again. In order to process the data that comes inside computer as an input and generate information out of that output, nothing but process data, a computer needs to modify and combine the input signals. Let me explain. Once data accepted through input devices, now processor will process that data to generate processed data. To generate processed data, computer needs to modify and combine the input signals. Computer needs to modify and combine the input signals. To modify and combine the input signals, computer uses millions of tiny electric components. To modify and combine the input signals, computer uses millions of tiny electronic components which come together to form circuits. Let me help you. First, what will happen? Input will come from outside world through input devices. Input device will convert that data into binary data and then it will be stored in storage, nothing but memory. Now this data has to be processed through processor. So what will happen? Through circuit or through electric wires and logical gates, through electric wires and logical gates, it will travel inside computer. Then processor will receive that data and will process it. In this whole process, computer needs to modify and combine the input signals. Correct. In this whole process, computer needs to modify and combine the input signals. What does it mean? Let me give more clarity. Processed data means what? Processed data means computer has combined input signals and modified it. Computer has combined the input signals and modified it. This is processed data. To modify and combine the input signals, computer uses millions of tiny electronic components which come together to form circuit. Now, circuit can process data which is inside computer in the form of electric signal, that is data inside computer represented in ones and zeros, and convert it into website, videos, music, games. How computer outputs final result depends on what the computer is designed to do. So what this part is exactly: first, input devices will accept data from outside world. First, Input devices will accept data from outside world and will convert it into binary and will store that data into storage. Now this data which is in binary format has to be manipulated. This manipulation will be done through circuit. Millions of tiny electronic components form circuit. So this circuit will take that binary data and it will modify that data. After modification, the output will be website, or output will be video, or it can be game, or it can be music. Output depends on what the computer is designed to do. Let me show pictorial representation of circuit. This is one pictorial representation of circuit. You will see lots of tiny electrical components. You can see electric wires which flows electric signal. You will see processor. So there are n number of electrical component, tiny component came together to form circuit. Now these circuits can even help us to decode DNA to diagnose the disease and cure the disease. Hope you have understood. If you have not understood clearly this part, then don't panic, because in upcoming sessions you will get more clarity. So as of now, you need to understand only one thing, that is many tiny components, many tiny electronic components come together to form circuit, and this circuit will modify input data which is in binary format. That's the theme of this session. Hope you have better understanding of circuit and how circuit modify input data. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.